Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our Pakistan Studies course. I'm excited to have you with me as we begin this learning journey. Students, over the coming lessons, we will explore the history, ideology, geography, culture, constitution development, and national identity of Pakistan. Students, together we will learn how Pakistan came into existence, the challenges it faced, and the values and the principles that continue to shape our nation today. Before we begin learning about the history of Pakistan, we first need to understand a very important concept. Let me ask you a question. Can a nation survive in progress without a common purpose or shared beliefs? Think about it for a moment. Just as every student has goals, every family has values, and every team has a common objective, every nation also needs guiding principles that unite its people and show them the right direction. Students, these guiding principles are known as ideology. In today's first lesson, we will learn what ideology means and why it is so important for every nation, including Pakistan. So let's begin our exciting journey into Pakistan studies. Students, let's begin with the most important question. What is ideology? The word ideology refers to a set of ideas, beliefs, values, and principles that guide the thoughts, decisions, and actions of an individual or a group of people. Think of ideology as a roadmap. Imagine you are traveling to a new city without a map or GPS. You may get lost. Similarly, without guiding ideas and principles, people or even an entire nation may lose direction. An ideology tells people what they believe, what goals they want to achieve, and how they should move towards those goals. So, ideology provides both direction and purpose. Now, students, let's discuss why ideology is so important for a nation. The first major reason is direction. Students, an ideology helps a nation decide what kind of society it wants to build and what goals it wants to achieve. Secondly, ideology creates unity. People may differ in language, culture, or traditions, but when they share common goals, common beliefs, and national goals, they become more united. Thirdly, ideology develops a strong national identity. Students, it's help citizens understand what makes their country unique and what values they should protect. Finally, ideology inspires people to work together for the country's progress and development. Students, let's think about Pakistan. People in Pakistan speak many languages. Some speak Urdu, others speak Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Saraiki, Burushiski, Shina, Wakhi, and several regional languages. We also have different traditions and cultures. Despite these differences, we all belong to one country. A common ideology helps unite people by reminding them that they share common values and national objectives. It encourages citizens to work together instead of focusing only on their differences. Students, a strong ideology also encourages citizens to become more responsible members of society. When people believe in their nation's values and goals, they are more likely to respect laws, serve their country, protect national identity, interests, and contribute to development. This creates patriotism and strengthens national unity. As a result, the country becomes more stable and can progress more effectively. Students, before we end today's lecture, let's quickly recap. Today we learned that ideology is a set of ideas, beliefs, and principles that guide individuals and nations. We also discussed how ideology provides direction, promotes unity, builds national identity, and encourages citizens to work together for the progress of their country. Students, if you found this lesson helpful, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our upcoming Pakistan Studies lessons. And also press the bell icon to receive notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.